Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vet Visit. In this channel we are going to study about veterinary science for the competitive examination preparation. So we start with our first topic, breed of domestic animal. This video is prepared by Dr. Hemant and Dr. Dilip. Cattle breeds. Cattle breeds are mainly classified on the basis of their utility and based on the physical features. So on the basis of utilities, Indian cattle breeds are classified into milch breed, dual purpose breed and draught purpose breed. Milch purpose breed are those which are used for the milk purpose. It is include Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi and Tharparkar. And dual purpose breed which are used for both milch as well as draught purpose breeds include Haryana, Kankrej, Rathi, Ongoli, Dioni, Dangi and Mewati, and draught purpose breed are which are used for the working in the field. Example Amrit Mahal, Khilari, Kangayam, Nagori, Malvi, Bhakar, Bargar and Siri and Poa. From this topic many questions are asked that which animal is included in the milch, which includes in dual purpose and which is draught purpose breed. So please kindly read this all the classification very properly. And next topic is based on the physical features. They are classified into 6 types. Group first, lyre horned grey cattles. Lyre horned grey cattles means with having a like this type of shape of horn. They are known as lyre horn with having a forehead flat, and when we view an animal from the front, the face is look like a disc like this type. Lyre shaped horn. Example including Kankrej, Hisar, Malvi and Tharparkar. In group second, we include white light grey cattles with coffin shaped skulls. Example Ongoli, Geolao, Haryana, Krishnaveli, Mewati and Nagori, Rathi and Bhakar. So you have to read it carefully. Group third, animal with heavy build and curled horns. Example milch breed Gir, Dioni, Red Sindhi, Sahiwal and Dangi. In group 4, Mysore breeds with prominent forehead and long horns. Example Halikar, Alambadi, Amrit Mahal, Bargar, Khilari and Kangayam. In group 5 we include hill type breeds like with having a small size and black and red colored with the large patches of white found in the hill tract in India. North India के hill tracts में they are found. Example Siri in Darjeeling and Pawar in UP. Group 6 includes medium-sized draught breeds with tight navel flap and dual red and white color. Example Dhani breed of Pakistan. So we are going to start with our first with milch purpose breeds. First breed is Gir. In this video we are only read those points which are mainly asked in the competitive examinations. So for the Gir, its origin is from Kathiawari district in Gujarat. Synonym is Bhadavri, Desan, Gujarati, Kathiawari, Surti. Characteristics are largest lactation period among desi breed. In many exams this question has been asked that which Indian breed having a largest lactation period among desi breed. So answer will be Gir. Peculiar features of the Gir breed are basic color of skins are white with dark red or chocolate brown patches on sometimes black or purely red. Horns are peculiarly curved and giving a half moon appearances. In many exams this question has been asked the breed with half moon appearances horn. So the answer will be Gir. And you also seen in the video that they are having a half moon like horns. Milk yield is ranges from 1200 to 1800 kgs per lactation, and this breed is known for its hardiness and disease resistance. The second breed is Sahiwal. Its origin is from Montgomery, Pakistan. Its synonym is Lola and Multani. In many examinations this has been asked that which breed is known by synonym Lola and Multani. Characters of the Sahiwal are best Indian and most popular milch breed. Peculiar features: heavy breed with symmetrical body and loose skins and loosely resemble with the Red Sindhi. Not distinguished feature between Red Sindhi and Sahiwal is muzzle. Red Sindhi dark color muzzle and Sahiwal lighter color muzzle. Milk yield is 1400 to 2500 kgs per lactations. Third breed is Tharparkar. Tharparkar is origin from the district of Pakistan and also found in the Marwar area of Rajasthan. Its synonym is Thari. In many exams, this synonym has been asked that which cattle breed is having a synonym Thari. So is known as Tharparkar. White Sindhi, grey characters, highest disease resistance and color changing property. On this question also has been asked in many exams that which cattle breed is highest disease resistance and color change property. Its milk yield is 1800 to 2600 per kg lactation. Red Sindhi, next breed is Red Sindhi. This breed is otherwise called as Red Karachi and Sindhi and Mahi, originated in Karachi and Hyderabad. Of Pakistan regions is undivided India and also reared in certain organized farm in our country. Color is red with shade and varying from dark red to light strips of the white, as you can see in the picture. Milk yield ranges from the 1250 to 1800 kg per lactations. Bullock despite lethargic and slow and can be used for the road and field work. Dual purpose breeds we are going to study first. Haryana. Origin is from Rohtak, Hisar, Haryana. Characters are horns are small, as you can see in the picture. They are having small horns. Bullocks are powerful work animal. Haryana cows are fair milker, yielding 600 to 800 kgs of milk per lactation. Note, it is the best dual purpose breed. So this question has been asked in many exams that breed with best dual purpose breed is which breed is with the best dual purpose is Haryana. The next dual purpose breed is Rathi. Origin Alwar, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Characteristics of this breed is this breed shows the admixture of Red Sindhi, Sahiwal and Tharparkar. This is the most important. In many exams this point has been asked that the Rathi is a admixture of. The Rathi is a admixture of किसका admixture है? Red Sindhi का, Sahiwal and Tharparkar. Its lactation yield, milk yield ranges from 1062 to 2810 kg. Next breed Kangrej. Its origin from Kutch to Karan, Gujarat and adjoining Rajasthan, Bardmer and Jodhpur district. Characteristics are heaviest Indian cattle breed and famous gate Sawai Chal. This question has also been asked in many exams. The Sawai Chal, its famous gate Sawai Chal and heaviest Indian cattle breed with 1/4 feet space between the legs while walking. Kangrej is valued for the fast, powerful draft cattle and useful in plugging and carting. Next breed is Dioni. Its origin is from Hyderabad, Telangana. Character: this breed shows admixture of Gir Dangi and local animals. This question has been also asked in many exams. The Dioni is an admixture of Gir, Dangi and local animals. Its milk yield ranges from the 636 to 1230 kgs per lactations. Ongoli is Ongoli, otherwise known as Nellori. Home tract is Ongole in Kantar district of Andhra Pradesh. Large muscular breed with a well-developed hump, suitable for heavy draught work. White or light grey in color, and average milk yield is about 1000 kgs per lactation. So now we start with the draft purpose animals. Draft purpose first animal is Amrit Mahal, originated in Karnataka. Amrit Mahals are grey color cattle, but their shades varies from almost white to near black. Best draft purpose breed. This question has been asked in many exams that which is a best draft purpose breed is Amrit Mahal. Then next is Nagori. Origin Nagaur of Rajasthan and best draft purpose breed of Rajasthan. This in paper of Rajasthan RPSC many times asked that which is a draft purpose best breed for Rajasthan is Nagori. The next is Venture. Venture is original from Kottayam, Kerala. This is the first endemic cattle of Kerala registered with ICAR. So this question has also been asked that which is the first endemic cattle of Kerala registered with ICAR. So this is Venture. Smallest cattle breed in the world, and this question has also been asked in many exams that which cattle breed is the smallest cattle breed in the world is Venture. Exotic cattle breeds include first Jersey. Origin Iceland of Jersey, England. Character Longest lactation period among cattle 365 days. Highest milk fat among cattle. Smallest and most hardy exotic cattle breed. These points are asked in many exams which of veterinary in the India, that which cattle breed, longest lactation period, high milk fat, and small and most hardy exotic cattle breed, that is Jersey, and average milk yield is about 2500 kgs per lactation. HF Holstein Friesian, origin is from Netherlands, Holland. Characters are highest milk producer in the world. This question has also been asked in many exams, that highest milk producer in the world, which breed of cattle, yeah, exotic cattle, that is HF, and with the lowest fat of 3.5%. Breeds have a typical marking on black and white that make them easily distinguishable. This breed is easily distinguishable from the other breeds. Next breed is Ayrshire, origin Scotland. Character most beautiful dairy breed. This question has also been asked in many exams. The most beautiful dairy breed is Ayrshire. The breed was also known as Dunlop cattle or Cunningham cattle. This has been also asked in many exams. Dunlop cattle is Ayrshire. Brown Swiss, origin Switzerland. Character highest milk lactose. This is also been asked in many exams. The cattle breeds with the highest milk lactose is Brown Swiss, and the maximum heat tolerance exotic breed of cattle is Brown Swiss. Average milk yield is 500 kgs per lactation. 5000 kgs per lactation. The current Swiss is the excellent crossbreed cattle originated by the crossing this breed with NDRI Sahiwal and cattle at NDRI. By crossing the Brown Swiss with the Sahiwal, the newly breed developed at the NDRI Karnal is current Swiss. This has also been asked in many exams. Crossbreed of cattle. First, current Swiss, origin is NDRI Karnal, and this is prepared by crossing Brown Swiss and Sahiwal. Brown Swiss and Sahiwal. Current Fries, its origin is NDRI Karnal, and it is prepared by crossing HF and Tharparkar. Jersind, its origin is Allahabad, and it is prepared by Jersey and Red Sindh crossing. Freshwal, its origin is Meerut, HF and Sahiwal cross. Jarthar, Bangalore, Jersey and Tharparkar cross. Sunandini, Munnar, Kerala, Brown Swiss cross nondescript. Jamaica Hope, Jamaica, 18% of Jersey, 15% of Sahiwal and 5% of HF. And Taylor, Patna, short horn bull with cross with native cow. From this topic many questions has been asked in the competitive exams, many. So please kindly read this topic very carefully. And at last, the important points related to the cattle breeds which are mainly asked in the exams. So first is heaviest of the Indian cattle breed. The answer will be Kangraj. Best drought purpose breed of cattle in India is Amrit Mahal. Best drought purpose breed of Rajasthan is Nagori. Best drought purpose breed of Maharashtra is Khilari. Small cattle breed in the world is Witcher. Best dual purpose cattle breed is Haryana. Rathi is a cross of Red Sindhis, Tharparkar and Sahiwal. Heaviest Indian cattle breed are famous Savai Chalgate is Kankraj. Cattle with pure white color Ongoli, Badri. A newly registered breed of Uttarakhand, also known as Pahadi cow or hilly cow. World heaviest cattle breed and also highest milk producer Holstein Friesian. Smallest of European breeds Jersey. Second heaviest of cattle breeds after Holstein Friesian is Brown Swiss. Most beautiful of the cattle breeds, large number and overactive and difficult to manage Ayrshire. First crossbreed developed in India is Taylor. So I request you all, please take a screenshot of this page so that you can attend all the questions in the competitive exams. Mainly all the questions which are asked in exams are this much only. And thank you friends for watching my channel Vet Visit. Please share, subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.